such good flyers.
The white ones?
Yeah, they can catch it. Whoa!
Catch it, the ones down there. Down there.
Oh, don't you like to see them fly by and catch it in the air?
No.
Oh, okay. Watch what your video's doing.
They're fighting together. Which one is chirping? Cute. Feed down there. Down there.
Watch what your video's doing, though. You gotta point it right how you want it. Oh my gosh, we've got 2 new kinds of birds. Look at those blackbirds.
Yeah. Are
Let's
they
see
coming?
if they'll come over.
A lot? And these?
Yeah.
2 new birds?
Yeah.
Seagull.
Look! That one was so close.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can make one of them fly close.
Yeah.
Look, Desmond. Watch, I'm gonna get one really close.
I almost grabbed one.
Look at here, guy. Their leader. Oh, there's those 2 blackbirds over there. Look, with the blue heads.
They only swim underwater. Look at that.
And do you think that's their leader telling everybody to come? Oh. There's one right there. Give him another one.
He's so cute.
Yeah. He's waiting patiently. You want to give him one on his sledge?
Sure. He ate one.
How about a little teenager? You want to give this guy a... Oh! What scared him? I wonder what made them all go away. Something startled them. Oh, look how soft they... Look at your little teenager here. On the ledge there. Oh, his mother stole it. You want to give him another little piece? He got it. Good.
I don't want to knit them to knit my finger.
Hi, you're so pretty.
One last spread.
Who's going to be the lucky guy? You want to give one a piece to this little one right here?